Hello everyone, welcome back to AAS Publishing. We continue on discussion of the corridors, the 7 corridors that the AAS journals publishes in. And this module is on the interstellar matter and the local universe. So this is the logo for this corridor. You can also see it on some of my bling here that you can pick up at a AAS meeting, bright shiny pins. So my interpretation of this logo is that the dots here are the stars and the focus is on the web between the stars, so between the stars, interstellar medium, and that's sort of my take on the artistic impression of this corridor. So this corridor is headed up by Judy Pfeiffer, Judith L. And her primary research is in the area of infrared astronomy and infrared detector array developments. And so with William Forrest, over sort of at least a 20-year period, they have been developing indium antimony, INSB arrays for the Spitzer infrared camera, which was launched in 2003. And so she is currently developing longer wavelength arrays, again in infrared astronomy, that can be passively cooled for space missions. Her scientific interest has long been in the study of star-forming regions, and she was inducted into the National Women's Hall of Fame in 2007 for her work on INSB detector array developments for astronomy. And she has been a scientific editor for the AAS journals, the astrophysical journals before the consolidation, since about 2002. And she's also served on the board of trustees for the USRA. And so that's a little bit about Judy and her research interest, and she heads up this corridor. So this corridor includes articles on the interstellar medium, ISM, the stars in our Milky Way, and in nearby galaxies. And so nearby galaxies defined by the IAU is out to about 15 megaparsecs, so Virgo-ish kind of distances. And how that was decided to be local universe, I don't know. But there we go. 15 megaparsecs is local universe. And so Judy covers all the stuff between the stars and the aspects of star formation. So the topics include, as I just said, star formation, stellar feedback, and their gravitational potential. Studies of the physics and chemistry of different components of the ISM, so ionized component, the neutral component, molecular component, both locally and on galaxy-wide scales. This corridor also covers measurements of resolved stellar populations and star clusters in the local universe, and the dynamics of galaxies within that local universe of 15 megaparsecs. This corridor also covers studies of debris disks and protoplanetary disks, so up to the formation of when a clump of gas will start going down the Hayashi track for a star. That's the formation and evolution of atoms, molecules, and dust of all phases of star formation and stellar death, because that's where some of that dust comes from, are an integral part of this corridor. So articles on the ISM, dust, and those related to star formation and laboratory astrophysics relevant to molecules, atoms, and dust are usually published in the APJ, and data-intensive articles are typically published in the AJ, and like all the corridors, aspects of the ISM can also appear in the high energy phenomena and fundamental physics corridor if they happen to be a little bit more focused on the high energy side of the house. And as usual, if it's very data intensive and presents significant new research, primary metric for publishing in the AAS journals, then it can go in APJ supplements. So that's what I had to say on the interstellar medium and the local universe corridor. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.